going to talk about The Neighborhood and Lost in Translation. Starts out with like a little tribute to like the stylistics and the Philadelphia soul sound. And then after that little section, introduction, the weekend comes in. It's very clean and precise and modern. And then when it hangs on the C major there, that's when it goes into a bridge, and that's kind of goes back into that D minor 7 to E minor 7. This is modern now, but it does break with the tempo. And then it goes back right into the tempo. And so anyways, let's go over the chords. So we got the D minor 7, E minor 7, then we got the C major 7. Now, those are, I think, the only 3 chords used in the song, although they're used in many different combinations. So, like at the end of the intro, it's like... So it's, you know, that's all how you're using them. And that goes... And you could even just play like the top 3 or 4 strings. You don't need to play the full chords because the mix is very clean. You know, that's why I wouldn't recommend a syncopated, because they don't want that in this song. They want clean and precise. So just stabs. Even like my reverb, I should probably turn down. That's the kind of sound you're going for. So it's kind of 3 chords. This is an amazing song that does so much with that. But they're R&B chords and you know, or jazz chords. However, they're not in rock music much. But that's the amazing thing, is The Neighborhood keeps it rock, even though you know, I guess with his tambourine, man, he has some kind of magical ability. He's looking to go, I think, worldwide massive hit. He's gonna, you know, be like up there with, you know, Elton John and Lady Gaga. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.